Backing up data on your computer is essential, and even more so for your Scrivener projects. If you lose your Scrivener projects, you may never be able to rewrite them. Scrivener can back up your projects automatically to your computer, but you should also back them up in other ways. We'll give you some tips. You should turn on Scrivener's automatic backups. If you go to Scrivener Settings on Mac or File Options on Windows, then click Backup, you can adjust Scrivener's backup settings. Check Turn on Automatic Backups if it's not on. The most practical setting is to have Scrivener make backups when you close your project and have it save 25 of the most recent backups. Or you can uncheck this option and Scrivener will save all your backups. It's a good idea to have Scrivener compress the backups in zip files. This takes up less space, especially if you have a lot of research in your projects. These settings or options show the location of the default backup folder. You can click Open Backup Folder to see the contents of that folder on your computer. You can click Choose to select a different backup folder. You might want to do this if you have an external drive connected to your computer and want to back up to that drive. The settings you've just seen apply to all your Scrivener projects, but you can make some changes to backup settings for individual projects. Choose Project, Project Settings, then click Backup. You can exclude this project from automatic backups, and you can set a custom folder to back up each project. Like any data on your computer, you should regularly back up your Scrivener projects. You can make copies on an external drive, a hard drive, portable SSD, or thumb drive. And you can store copies of your projects in the cloud. But if you use Dropbox to sync your Scrivener projects, then you should back them up to another cloud service, such as iCloud, OneDrive, or Google Drive. One tip: you can email yourself a copy of your current project at the end of each work session. Store the emails in a folder, and you'll always be able to access them on your computer or on your mail server. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.